Hello, in this video I am using GuideSIGN Plus version 8.1 to recreate the signs and pavement markings on a portion of the Arbutus Greenway in Vancouver, BC. The standard signs being used are from the Canada Tech EDC 2021 Sign Library, which is available for use in the GuideSIGN Plus software. There are custom signs that have been made with the GuideSIGN sign design software using standard text and other elements, and pavement marking items that have been drafted and will be added to the pavement marking software as custom markings. In GuideSIGN Sign Design, a custom panel style has been made with the settings as shown. This custom panel style is placed into the drawing to remake the first of the bicycle route signs. Place Arrows adds arrows into the panel. The bicycle arrows were made with the Create Custom Arrow tool in GuideSIGN. Checking the manual spacing in the Place Object dialog allows adjustments to the margin settings for placing the arrow. Place Highway Text adds text into the sign panel. In Highway Text Advanced, the font, size, and other settings for the text can be changed. The Two Object Snap option in Place Object allows the text to be placed next to the arrow, in this example using manual spacing. Edit Highway Text allows further editing of the text objects after placement. Update Existing Panel can be used to change the width and height of the panel, either to use locked values or rounded values to adjust the panel size as objects are placed. In this example, the Auto Update Panel option in Program Settings is turned off, so manual updating is required. Place Short Line is used to place dividing lines, either horizontal or vertical. The lines can extend to the borders, or a gap can be specified. Place Symbol allows standard or user-made symbols to be added into panels. Basic CAD commands, including copy, move, rotate, and scale, can be used on all GuideSIGN objects. In this example, the short line is being copied. Another text object is placed below the dividing line using two objects and using manual spacing. Once again, Highway Text Advanced is used to adjust the size and other settings for this text. This text object is placed below the dividing line using two objects and manual spacing. Using CAD move commands to further adjust the placement of the objects. Alternatively, GuideSIGN's move could be used to do the same tasks. To complete this sign, place an arrow below the text using two objects. This is a custom-made arrow, and the CAD scale command can be used to adjust the size. In this example, a basic CAD command is used to change the size of the arrow by 0.75. Move single is used to adjust the location of that arrow below the text. Manual spacing is again used. The Create Custom Arrow tool in GuideSIGN allows many different types of arrows to be designed and saved by setting the various parameters. The bicycle lane signs used in this example have been previously saved. The circular-shaped cyclist and pedestrian signs are created using the same custom panel style, with a border radius set to nearly half the width and height. The Create Sign Library feature creates blocks or cell files of the signs, which can be used to transfer signs to the sign planning software to be used as user-defined signs. Click Add and provide a name and further information to save those signs for use as user-defined signs. Change to the Guide Sign Plan ribbon. Sign Plan is used to place standard or user-defined signs on various structures and locate the sign assemblies onto plan drawings. Create Sign Assembly allows standard signs or user-defined signs to be combined in many different ways to make sign assemblies. After viewing the Canada TAC ATC 2021 Standard Sign Library, select a Yield Ahead sign from the warning category. Adjust the size if necessary. Click Insert User-Defined Sign to use a sign that has previously been made in GuideSIGN. If necessary, change the width and height of the user-defined sign. Place the user-defined sign above the standard sign with a small spacing between them using alignment spacing. Set the assembly status to proposed, then click Next to place the sign assembly into the drawing. The assembly can be placed using the previously defined reference line. Set a distance from datum and side of reference and click Apply or pick a location. Click Next to continue. Proceed through the remaining placement steps. Pick a location for the facing and leader line. Following this, there is an option to change the visual style for 3D signs. Use Create Assembly to make another assembly. View the various signs and categories. Type a keyword in using the sign name search criteria to search for a particular sign. In this example, a bicyclist yield to pedestrian sign is selected and placed. Click Insert User-Defined Sign to choose a sign made in GuideSIGN. Select the user-defined sign. If necessary, adjust the width and height and place it above the standard sign. Adjust the alignment spacing, and when done, click Next. Place this sign assembly along a pathway using the reference line. Set an override horizontal clearance to set that to 0. Set a location from datum, hit Apply, then Next. Set the angle, and then set the location for the sign facing. Select Finish when done. If necessary, adjust the visual style, and then rotate to view the sign assemblies in 3D using CAD tools. Both of the signs that were placed in this example can be viewed in 3D this way. Change to the GuideSIGN pavement marking ribbon. Similar to the pathway lane signs, custom pavement markings can be made for use in the pavement marking software using custom blocks. These blocks have been drafted for this project. Insert Custom Block allows blocks from CAD to be imported into the pavement marking software for placement. Assign a name, description, and set units for each. These blocks are being created using import from drawing. Then create the second one using the same process. Once the name, description, and units have been set, import from drawing, select the marking, hit save, and then close when done. Custom blocks can then be used to place these pavement marking symbols into the drawing. The pavement marking lines and arrows have already been placed into the drawing using the pavement marking software. The pavement marking software includes longitudinal and lateral lines, as well as arrows, hatching, text, and various other pavement marking objects. As the symbols are placed, their directions can be set using the tool. CAD tools can be used to copy the markings as needed. In this case, markings are being placed at equal intervals along the pathway. Once completed, the final drawing can be viewed in 3D, showing standard and user-defined signs from GuideSIGN combined into sign assemblies, along with pavement markings. This project combines the capabilities of all three parts of GuideSIGN Plus: sign design, sign planning, and pavement marking, using custom and standard elements. Thank you.